wish I could understand what's concealed. I wish I could open up, I wish I were closer. I wish I could touch your garment today. Hold me when I have no faith. Help me believe in a higher grace. Yes, I know what faith is all about. To believe in something when it's all dark. Yes, I know what love is all about. To let go of your pride and something higher lead your heart. I wish I could call your name and that you would answer. I wish I could feel your strength when I'm weak. I wish I could seek and find a way of believing. I wish I could capture the truth with my